that's what me dey brebo no masha say abeshe dey say we have the details of today's content, very, very interesting. At the National House of Chiefs, I know I'm a kakra, but what really happened? I don't see Anamunia Ken. Maji Medra Ene. You have a bon come now. I heard the ECA. It's me at the all these things. It will copy Moshe. Yeah, Nana Dormaahene nim how it was. Nana was really disturbed yesterday. There was a kind of a little bit of fusion be it's me copy a year a hop and a year Asante Mampong Manhene Nana and so a drew baby no nese waka nanwa tumu kakra because or try say or create a certain referendum no even with me sorry and so ATI because of a certain agenda copies Nananom and so to copy more through that Emma will be as you upper hand. It more agenda copies. And sorry, ATI and yeah, this, the agenda for the day, the main reason I'm cutting now, yeah, the National House of Chiefs for now. I was something in a good crowd, one sound or message you made the answer. The chairman and Nananom until you do and wash him, the amount copy, with the main reason why they are there, for that day. Though a election, but there was a course to be a prior any after it was documenting. So agenda no documenting and it will change a year Nana Sampa Gyafla and so easy form. And yes, idea I'm telling you that Nana Sampa Badu and Kaya Pamono free the National House of Chiefs. I was yet see the details in a brand with the show. Say a marafi would be some party the hand on some can over subscribe it. Hey, you see, the main reason I'm laughing, the details of today's content are very, very interesting. I don't know how to go about it. So I catch you say, meaning how to go about it today because maybe I see here there are portions of the Chieftaincy Act 2008 as a threat, a quiet fast way to be disqualified will be. But and the ideas and the skills Dormaahene was able to implement against the whole house are on idea and later on Obiaji too it was a top notch. I'm telling you something. You see, me a me. Now like I say, oh, King Ghana, me no correct kenti ebia me ho ye wahi. But you can stop watching this video right now. Baby for unya ne se de me chichi mu acha on da. I'm telling you. Be kanu kure na acha. E kwan Dormaahene fa so to beat the whole National House of Chiefs. It was the top notch. The man is smart. Me kanu kure na acha. Enti hwe na Nananom amfana ni agro. Me kan bibi acha pa. Iti Nananom mo hwem ye. Me betina ha ka acha mo say this and that is the main reason why Dormaahene is not supposed to be elected as the president of the National House of Chiefs. One, because or unlawful, and he would turn the National House of Chiefs to say Nkukobu. I'm telling you. Hey, go back to you almost say ashes or the Nisabe Boma Pete. And those Nananom Toma no crowd. I'm like, more authoritative government. There any more rollings in video womuna sebi yen ran one sambra because authoritative government during the era of Rawlings it was a top notch. Or no the chief said the cost of bono regions of chiefs were in Guasia camp bono regions of chiefs. And when Ankamo they call the National House of Chiefs. How Ankamo quiet adiano? And when Ankamo quiet adiano? We have a man, our judge, and this same person. On family ultimate organizing on one election with or without a year the EC or some beginning a year the National House of Chiefs repeat the same statement. Whilst our injunction so or tremo say EC no de muno or can or the National House of Chiefs. And yet there is some Nananom or vote to your mother mine. Me kind of crash rather than a wolf. And was some like you see Ghana never cost wrong. We need somebody who boom now. And say Nananom be to me more madrimu ye ha. Timi to abamanwa. The National House of Chiefs though. Sad. Sad. Now I can see, say, we have some Nananom bia because of the hate for truth, they are willing to sacrifice or mind any munyam. Now, a news so no, yes, the National House of Chiefs, 4 years so, yeah, Dormaahene winning, Dormaahene say, oh, in see for one watonaba, obebo umo watonaba. And that is maybe when Nananom will be who's or my dream or form. This person has repeated same situation, and we got few of Nananom to click their vote for him. And you see, Asante Mampong Manhene rose up and said, say, because of an injunction be a dahono, as say woman in deliberate on almost argue on for 3 hours. For 3 hours, I'm telling you, for 3 good hours. The National House of Chiefs were arguing. The Parliament to crown poor, yeah, the big body, in terms of executive positions. Do you see was separation of powers? Our Ghana, but what kind of constitution, or better say separation of powers in age. There are some interpretations in the constitution. We see a Jaima the Supreme Court, and because of that, Supreme Court, need the court say emra. And it is a including the Supreme Court or whatever court, any other constitution here, you money a boom, now Emrana see the injunction are 2 ways. So one Nananom to me play. Tia common, I don't know for me, make kind of natural. To send to Kobesi Doman, any probably who know Abun say, be Kenya as a natural tea, Nansa. Let me be Grand Penogressa. Me kind of graduate one now for better here barbershop because unim say unyan baby obe me said Dormaahene ya de na ya me babeka ene ye mu bi obu akra no until the National House of Chiefs krada yen ya te yi bi na promote the National House of Chiefs ya promote sa amamonya animunyam ne ene join news timi time on camera ko share the National House of Chiefs TV stations bi bloggers timi time on camera so mo ko na because ye mu bia promote mo Obu akra no nim had the cross am kra mo chieftaincy act bimpo. And then there were a lot of bloggers are almost 10 content into some in a more professional way without insult. Education. Now, anyone ya prema the National House of Chiefs. Mostly in 4 years today, no, ye benya news free the National House of Chiefs. Dormaahene or hinibi kontokwa. Ewa the National House. He is doing that already in the Bono region. He try to cry me Jan say. Nananom nya enya manyo sam ye nyi enimu nye politics. Why we declare a political stand? You wanted to turn the National House of Chiefs into a political zone because that is what your vote meant. Odia oho ya oje be the second. Oni esi edun ketie nya problems bi na nsia me de brew. Asema odia oho e kan ye ne se esi edun ketie hu ne se o hye eye MPP fo atare da omra me kam ye he. Na se esi edun ketia se political party bi akopiem ewo ni krom ho se hwo ehunu se political party bi need nkoma onfa photos emrama ne ono onye politics and wo se MPP o NEC o eba ni krom abaye campaign o free krom ho kransa na mababedu. This is the leader we need. We all know say Oji Awoho won the election, yes, but 30 votes for Dormaahene. From where? Do you understand the 30 votes? Because every region is supposed in the Chieftaincy Act. Every region is supposed to represent National House of Chiefs with 5 paramount chiefs. And so if Dormaahene was able to get 30 votes, then it means how many regions voted for him. I want to say, Nananom be adwuma. National House of Chiefs nani monyam kakra ayenes mo de kwadane nkukobuo. Seriously. We can't tell in a more professional way now, Wolf. Seriously. Yet one of the biggest paramount chiefs for Bono region. Nigeria at the demon komako to internet. And and is this the kind of people we wanted them to rule the National House of Chiefs? Seriously. As a matter ye ano kakra ye wo ye dia hinsem wachi sa emo bitimi kwotena onua TV e de making video to onua TV so e threaten me ni mabusuya just because of the love I have for Nananom, doing everything to promote Nananom nti ibinimu so de tia me on the national TV e wo Ghana ho. Yes ye mranke ye jai but ye dom nti no ye hwehwe animonyam ma Nananom a ebini Opa kind 515, 5 to 10, 5 to 15. TNE may be calculation be 5 for 20. So 5 6 you're saying. 5 6 you're saying. Oh, how many? So you will know the number of regions. Omotoye. Emma Dormaahene. I know that Chelsea Ghana no yenim bi nduru baby aho. If in the national of chiefs na say Nananom nyama yourself no. We have some Nananom a omo the politics ni omo da ne se. Turning the National House of Chiefs need to say political zone. Na ehongu enmonyam o no ebu Nananom ensai. Oja wo ya ojebi onye MPP no onye NDC ni o. Say owo ne political party mpo a we know him to be somebody or turn the political ambitions out. Is anymore 7th December to no go run a ballot box mu a be any or party or join a do no throw my say get just say so what's me MPP near just give me one proof I just me MPP on MPP on NDC. And it's sad what you want to do at the National House of Chiefs, those 30 chiefs. Thank God say the Asante is not part of the National House of Chiefs. Thank God he is not part of the National House of Chiefs. You see, almost somewhere to Abano. We were supposed to sack them. The national security was supposed to sack them. Now, yeah, we say 2 year Juma ewa Ghana. You see, the injunction at almost. Till say a buying 2 year back asano. They are not supposed to be there. So, Dormaahene press or bad the National House of Chiefs will be a brain injunction. They done so also fight or a jet on fighted that. Injunction no onwini asem no court no umbrella National House of Chiefs but 2 minutes that or ignore it by and amoji ni too obewura honom no ankomo no so ehya ase ntie de CEO ana eye Nana Sampa Mampong Manhene Daasebrɛ Osei Bonsu esore ye no se atinya ekoso ni nyina ye se Dormaahene ye timi ma woni ne manhene nan ye kan ho no ento aba ni bi so they are supposed to leave a year the whole woman called a task because injunction almost but said Dormaahene say tie on penny and I won't call dia any munya day mumian to aba so the majority on beto aba say emran to me intino Dormaahene free on call then the decision is taken and I think that was a fair point. It was a fair point. Yan to aba some say one mo be ignore the law constitution of Ghana to me no and that's no most of them ignore the any mommy and twaba. The only yes on where twaba no. Anna Dormaahene sorry ebu. Aha. And I will say we got the boy for Palma and Fanto so never idea ever. Now we got ye, but I think I get that photo already here. We got I was and now some kid to a hole. Say I did our person more twaba. And you see, you will not understand why I the boy for Bameno. Namte Nana Dormaahene say because Odim said and no maybe ye or dear him ye no omo to abana m1 as I say it was say no omo to abano and they act say di ntina me to abano no say agenda no a edafi ha no ye nyina ye hwehwe mu no document na da ha no as an agenda for the day no mahwem na me hwe mu no tie nkomo no you not underestimate Dormaahene or you so smart to destroy the National House of Chiefs. He is so smart to play with the minds of Nananom. And so Dormaahene told them that agenda for the day ne say ya ba he ya beto abai obia 4 years aso tie obia 4 years aso na obia 4 years ya aso no means ye nyina we are not member of the house and into hwe agenda ni mu a sie nyina nye member me nye member mu amaka nyina mo so munya member tie enti hwe agenda na ede mo mu ni mu agenda ne say emi esa dia it was so be rather National House of Chiefs inside her as a paramount chief no before you will be eligible to vote all of you are supposed to swear and sign a matwaba and it's a then we become the members of this house before easy argument careful. I say we all are not members of this house. We all have to swear in to become members of this house before we vote. Yeah. Then it means we become members of this house before the electoral commission comes in. And so without the electoral commission, if you are able to swear in, then why do we need the electoral commission during elections? And then the National House of Chiefs. Or man go for easy for ambassador be swear in in. Now ye ba swear in, ye nyina swear in as the members of this house, National House we are, and san ye timia eligible to vote. So it means we become members of this house before EC comes in. And if we become members of the house before the EC, then EC intimi try and say and to aba na say hwɛ ne ato aba. What Dormaahene argument no. Etia no, and okan here. And a house no ho nyina ha ye after 3 hours of argument no. Ni se mu nyina amoto na amodi nkom mu nya nso a ina. Then why no what rights or bepamo no Dormaahene? Mu nyina amunya members of the National House of Chiefs. And so what Nananom were supposed to do was to keep quiet and let them all swear in. Then after swearing in, they take the decision. But so what they said was, that is H0URS said. Say the waiting year with agenda you when you know. You've raised a good point. Why are there? See what you can now what changing in narrative. And yes, dear. Yeah, members there. Then let's vote. Let's vote. No, another Dormaahene. That is that statement or the winning or more. For me to abano. The National House of Chiefs war. Dormaahene. A 30 vote. Or H0URS and 42 vote. The National House of Chiefs war. This is what I'm getting. This is the information that I'm getting. Say open what really happened. And my bonnet of and so actually with a video credited to a Joy News. You could send your Joy News and so it me address the issue no in a very short video. If you are not and some no bonnet of and I mean
the House of Chiefs election was delayed for about 3 hours as the traditional leaders deliberate on a lawsuit served on them. Chief of Sampa, Nana Sampa Gyafla II, sought to restrain the House from accepting the nomination of representatives of the Bono Regional House of Chiefs. The suit challenged the validity of the election of the 5 representatives of the Bono region, including the Dormaahene. The 2 contenders for the presidency shared opposing opinions on the issue.
Sitting here, we are not members yet. You understand? I'm looking at the agenda that we have before us. What I have seen is swelling of over members. You become members before the electoral commission gets involved. So why are you calling the electoral commission? This house cannot disqualify anybody. It is only a court of competent jurisdiction who can stop a member here. Right? And probably that is why you are wrong. But even those things that you are right, you have done so for attention. You want me to take action on them?
Resolution was reached when Manhene Daasebrɛ Osei Bonsu II proposed a referendum as a means of settlement. Though the Dormaahene challenged its legality, the House opted for the proposal. In his victory speech, H0URS II emphasized unity to move the House forward. He shared his vision for the second term in office.
The National House of Chiefs and chieftaincy, for that matter, must remain apolitical and isolated from partisan politics. In the coming days, we need to work together, visibly and greater voice in our national agenda setting. For example, can't we come together, put pressure on government politicians to get the second chamber, majority of whom must be chiefs in the South? We can do that. It's achievable. It's possible. There are many initiatives and things we have done in the past 4 years, but there are still more that we can do. I believe in the last 4 years, we have laid foundation for greater things. Our re-election shows the House understands that a good foundation has been laid. But now is the time to build upon that and to deliver.
I was for 80 days a day, a question, so I don't know. Yes, a pretty food area needs to assign. Today, the Munia kid, bet to be a dear come. So I or H0URS be the second. Ja, almost to a body no winnie any speech or the 2 jam. So and the kind or say I was at Nananom and so it me rainy a political. Means omuji who free among your emu. If you say wow, what I say, MPP and this is supposed to, take themselves out. of that. And second, they're supposed to work together. And third, it was so remain so strong together to the extent that on the pressure a basi yembu or my Ghana no and your parliament in Kwa, members of parliament in Kwa. Then I will see you to me in Nananom account. That is what Nananom is supposed to work towards. What I say, to me achieve with that. Na yemfa woman sonka a year Ghana see a boo or mine, ye boo or mine governing the country. Yet to me emfa woman to decision and so can waiting somewhere a year or and so editorial. So I wish you said I would say wait and in summer you could pay I will air the National House of Chiefs. And bra Nana be your man some pamo air the mine and in some kind say my agenda no the money. As ye now we are not members yet. So we'll see a best way in. To know why now so be pam no will be any right so pam when you members. And to be members national, they do not need the EC to be members. Or be members need and sana EC abem. If that they are, then why do they need the EC, the Electoral Commission? And that statement confused the whole National House of Chiefs. How? Abra, you could have just told them and say, oh, me another then I will ye be the Adrian doctor na would know me. I would say, and ye me in swear in ye. And think I'm in via no matter what chin crat say. Tio, and come on one ye dino another my no see any members. See a members. And that's where the injunction toss. The injunction they are told on all year day. That is giving respect to the constitution. And Mrano a govern Ghana no. They can't obu as a king on pedomine. Ye come Mran was some. Into a beer communipan wa boom Mrano so ye ignore the constitution. And Nana Sampa Gyafla Manhene make up the same thing. This man has disrespected the constitution of Ghana. And Nananom were supposed to defend the constitution of Ghana. And they ignored the constitution of Ghana. Obia wunya lawful na mumura. Nkwana bu ebetime hu. So Nananom were supposed to swear in that after that they remind Dormaahene say I swear in. And ye nyina say I swear in ya members no. Yes say ye me mfa emra no enso enye adwuma ka de na Dormaahene betime aka bi. Wa trick mu nyina we na se be copy bu. So e the National House of Chiefs. At the end of the day, H0URS enso edit me remain. Say them catch am. They be din cry. We say share that next video mu nya kini makram.
K1ng Ghana, we did Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted, India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we maybe a orchestra free there, but it's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1ng Ghana will try pa.